The U.S. Navy has institutionalized the MQ-25 Stingray with its capability to carry out its primary aerial refueling mission, a game-changer in combat situations when there is a need for the aircraft to stay in the air as long as possible. As defense forces around the world use drones to perform multiple tasks, this new innovation in the form of the MQ-25 Stingray is set to create a dynamic new air force with giant refueling aircraft that are no longer needed in long-range missions above ground. The MQ-25 will take on the tanking role currently performed by the F/A-18, enabling better use of the fighter jet and helping to expand the range of the carrier air wing, Boeing said in a statement.